Oh my goodness. Hello, happy hump day. Thank you for joining me, Renee at 5 Men Makeover. Today, we are going to do an easy pink eye look because, it's Wednesday. It's happy hump day. And on Wednesdays, we wear pink. Who's with me? Who's wearing pink? Shout yourself out if you are wearing pink. Okay, so I'm putting on my white liner to brighten and open up my eyes, hide the mombi. And by the way, I just wanted to express my utmost gratitude and appreciation to each and every one of you that has followed me and subscribed to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to use my favorite eyeshadow products that aren't just for your eyes ever, liquid shadows. These are on sale and it all ends on Saturday. Yeah, it all ends on Saturday. So we're going to do egotistical and businesslike. The wand alone is amazeballs. Look at this wand. So the beauty of these are really, really awesome, especially if you're, not comfortable with eyeshadow and you're like kind of not sure, like, how do I put eyeshadow on? You don't need a brush. You could slap it on as it is. You could blend with your finger. I like going in to kind of hide them harsh lines with my blending brush. Isn't that the most beautiful berry color? Yeah, speaking of berries, it reminds me of doing, I think of doing raspberries on my granddaughter's little belly. Belly farts. But anyways, belly farts have nothing to do with pink shadow, now do they? This color is egotistical. It is super bold, super vibrant, super beautiful. It is great for all skin tones. See how easy that blending brush just kind of takes out those harsh lines. Now, businesslike. This is a really soft mauve pink. And it has some shimma on it. We're going to go the inner part of our eye and go right up under our brows to highlight our brows. Like, so easy, right? So easy. These are so highly pigmented also that a little bit goes a long way. So you are really getting the bang for your buck with these. I kind of feel like I have some like bald spots. Blending brush. Another good brush option is Mega Bug Must Have Fluffy Crease Brush or the Splurge Cream Shadow Brush. It really just depends on where you're applying it, what you're using it for. For example, if you want to get like under the eye, like really get that nitty gritty eye action going, the harder bristles on the Splurge Cream Shadow Brush work great. And yeah, just because Valentine's Day is over doesn't mean like that we have to stop wearing pink. Pink is just, it's such a beautiful, beautiful, happy color. And that's it. Let's do some lashes. And I did put on some of my Snake Splash Liquid Lipstick. So while that's waiting to dry, I'm going to show you guys something super fun to do with this business. Like, let's lash, shall we? So I am heating up my lash curler because to get brow tangle lash-tasticness, your lashes are going to not be blonde and stick straight out anymore. When you heat your lash curler up for 3 seconds, it's going to really hold that curl. And just kind of count to, yeah, this is my wonky lash side. Count to 10, okay? I just do small little squeezes. I don't know. It depends on my mood. Now, lash crack time. And on Facebook, in my VIP Beauties group, I have lots and lots of lash crack bundles happening. I'm going to start another one later today, so make sure you are in my VIP Beauties group. If we are not connected on Facebook, I love making new friends. Be my friend, be my friend. Seriously, that's probably one of the best things about this business is all of you that I have been blessed to meet. All of you who have entrusted me helping with your beauty solutions, because I am a spreader of confidence. Yeah, this side of my lashes are like so jacked up, and thank goodness for this 4D Epic, because like I would not even look like I had lashes without it. Like you could totally see that, right? Now I like my lashes, you know, to not be clumpy. So this lash comb or lash rake, I got it on Amazon, or makeup bag must have. This works just as well. How many of you guys do your lower lashes? Anyone? Anyone? Bueller? And I dropped it. I drop everything. I like doing my lower lashes. I feel like it makes my eyes look bigger. You know, that quest to keep my eyes, you know, make my eyes look bigger, brighter, and whiter. Just adds that little extra oomph. And okay, so you know what's funny? I could do my entire face in 5 minutes, but I am so OCD about my lashes. Like I'll spend another 5 minutes on my lashes alone, but we don't have 5 minutes. Hold on, let me pick that lash comb up. There it is. So another really cool thing about these liquid shadows is their versatility, because you basically have eyes, cheeks, and lips all in one. I'm just going to show you this. Watch. Are you ready? Are you ready? Sit down. Strap in. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Isn't that the most beautiful lipstick color ever? So my February beauty bundle, it's called the Kudos on my website. This deal ends this Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And you get to choose 2 liquid shadow colors. And see, isn't that the perfect blush? And we do have nudes and neutrals, like for the highlight contour, for your brows. You get to choose a blush or a lip exfoliator, any lippy that you want, minus the lip bonbons. And you can also upgrade your Kudos Beauty Bundle and add on a foundation, and you get over 30% off. So I will put everything up there and down there. Thank you for sharing this with your friends. I hope that, like, once you saw how quick and easy that was, that you're going to be like, oh my gosh, I must get these. Because honestly, these are my favorite go-to eyeshadows, because they're quick and easy. Thank you for joining me at 5-Min Makeover. I love you all. Have a fantastic hump day.